Hello everyone, here we will see the experiments of electrical machines lab 2. First experiment, load test on DC shunt motor to draw speed, torque and horsepower efficiency characteristics. Next we will see the aim of this experiment, to conduct the load test on the given DC motor and to plot the following characteristics. First one, efficiency versus bhp and speed versus torque and bhp versus torque. Next one, apparatus required. So this, to do this experiment we require the following apparatus: voltmeter MC type 0 to 300 range 2 is required, and ammeters 10 by 20 amperes range MC type 2 is required. Rheostat 0 to 250 ohm, 1.2 amperes 2 is required. 0 to 1 kilo ohm, 1 ampere 1 is required. So to measure the speed we require the tachometer. So next we will see the circuit diagram of the experiment. So this is the circuit diagram of the load test on DC shunt motor. So load is connected manually to the motor. So once a load on the DC motor is increases, speed will reduce. So this is the load of the DC motor, right? So next one we will see the procedure of this experiment. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram, and keep the rheostat R1 in the field circuit of the motor in cutout position. So cutout position, minimum position we have to keep. The rheostat R2 in the armature circuit of the motor and rheostat R3 in the field circuit of the generator in cut-in position, and all load switch off in condition. The supply switch S1 is closed. The motor brought to its rated speed by cutting out the rheostat 2, and then by cutting in the rheostat R1 if necessary. No load readings of all the meters speed are noted down. The motor is loaded by gradually applying the load. At each load, readings of all the meters and speed are noted down in tabular column. The load on the motor is completely removed. All the rheostats are brought back to their respective initial positions, and the supply switch S1 is opened. So this is the procedure of this experiment. Next we will see the experiment demonstration by clicking this below link. We will do the experiment. First switch on the motor by using DPST switch, and start the motor by using 3-point starter. So now motor is running at some speed. Where is the field rheostat? Where is the field rheostat? Set the motor speed 1500 RPM. Now 1480 RPM. Now again, where is the field rheostat? So we need to set the motor speed 1500 RPM. Okay, now motor is running at rated speed. Next one, where is the load on the DC motor? Where is the load, and note down these load readings in tabular column, and parallelly note down the voltage and current readings in tabular column. So where is the load step by step, and note down the readings in tabular column, like this tabular column. So after that, calculate the torque and output power, HP and efficiency by using the formulas, and plot the graph according to the experiment aim. So first we plot the graph torque versus speed and torque versus efficiency. So according to the aim, we should plot the graphs. After taking all the readings, so now reduce the load on the motor, and where is the field rheostat to the minimum position, open the PTSP switch. This is about experiment demonstration. So next we will see the calculation part. So what are the readings we have taken the from the experiment? We have to note down in tabular column voltage, current, power, S1 and S2 weight balance readings, and difference, speed, torque, bhp, output, power, slip, efficiency. So we have to take the readings for 5 to 6 cases, and we have to note down in the tabular column. So next we will see the calculation part. Motor input Vm into Im watts, motor output generated input watt, generated output equal to VL into IL watt, assumed generator efficiency 0.85, and motor output equal to VL into IL by 0.85 watts. So motor efficiency is equal to, this is the formula, bhp is equal to motor output in watt divided by 735.5, torque equal to bhp into 450 by 2 pi n kg meter. So these are the formulas. Next, so these are the modal graphs. So bhp versus torque, and bhp versus efficiency, bhp versus speed. The second one is shows the torque versus speed. So if you really plot from the readings, we will get the curve like this. So this is manual graphs. Next one, result. At last you have to write the result of the experiment, what you have calculated according to the aim. So determine the following characteristics curves: efficiency versus bhp, speed versus torque, bhp versus torque. These curves already we have shown in the graphs. So next, these are the viva questions you can expect from this experiment. So low tension single phase induction motor. So maximum this type of questions they will ask in your main examinations for viva. Thank you everyone.